Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system, class 5. This is your science lecture. Today we are going to read and discuss our unit number 10. Topic is magnetism. Here we have different kinds of magnets. Horseshoe magnet. This shape is called bar magnet. This shape is called ring magnet. Here we have cylindrical magnet and also ball-ended magnet. Next, this is the title page of your amazing science book for class 5. Our topic is about magnetism, unit number 10. Magnetism is an invisible force that can make some objects move towards or away from each other. Now students, he is explaining the term magnetism. What is magnetism? Magnetism एक invisible force है जो हमें नजर नहीं आती, ऐसी force that can make some objects move towards, जो किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को ऐसे बनाती है कि वो या तो उसकी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करता है मैग्नेट की तरफ या उससे रिपेल होता है, उससे दूर जाता है. सो सम ऑब्जेक्ट्स मूव टूवर्ड्स और सम अवे फ्रॉम ईच अदर. वी कैन नॉट सी मैग्नेटिज्म, हम मैग्नेटिज्म को देख नहीं सकते, बट वी कैन लुक एट मैग्नेट्स दैट सी व्हाट हैपन्स टू द थिंग्स दैट आर प्लेस्ड नियर देम. और हम कैसे ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं मैग्नेट्स को? उन ऑब्जेक्ट्स के करीब लाकर हम ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं कि वो किस तरह से बिहेव कर रहे हैं. सो हियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव डिफरेंट शेप्स ऑफ मैग्नेट्स. मैग्नेटिक एंड नॉन मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल्स. मेटल्स दैट आर अट्रैक्टेड बाय मैग्नेट्स आर कॉल्ड मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल्स. नॉट ऑल मेटल्स आर मैग्नेटिक. तमाम मेटल्स मैग्नेटिक नहीं होते, और ऐसे मेटल्स जो मैग्नेट के साथ अट्रैक्ट करते हैं वी कॉल इट मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कॉपर, एल्यूमिनियम आर नॉन मैग्नेटिक मेटल्स. ये अट्रैक्ट नहीं करते. हार्ड मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल्स. हार्ड मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल्स आर डिफिकल्ट टू मैग्नेटाइज, बट वंस मैग्नेटाइज दे कीप देयर मैग्नेटिज्म. हार्ड मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल्स को मैग्नेटाइज करना मुश्किल है, लेकिन एक दफ़ा उनको मैग्नेटाइज कर लिया जाए तो वो अपने मैग्नेटिज्म को बरकरार रखते हैं. स्टील, alchemax and the tiny particles of iron oxide which coat cassette tapes make strong magnets. Next we have the topic of soft magnet materials. Some soft magnetic materials are easy to magnetize. जो सॉफ्ट मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल्स होते हैं उनको मैग्नेटाइज करना आसान होता है, बिकॉज बट दे लूज देयर मैग्नेटिज्म क्विकली. लेकिन वो बहुत तेजी से अपने मैग्नेटिज्म को खत्म कर देते हैं, लूज कर देते हैं. आयरन एंड कॉपर वायर्स आर यूज्ड टू मेक इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट्स. सो दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स. दे प्रोड्यूस स्ट्रॉन्ग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड्स बट दे लूज देयर मैग्नेटिज्म एज सून एज द करंट इज स्विच्ड ऑफ. नेक्स्ट, magnetic nature of a magnet. All particles inside a magnet have a north pole and a south pole. हर मैग्नेट के दो पोल्स होते हैं, नॉर्थ पोल एंड द साउथ पोल, एंड दे आर अरेंज्ड सो दैट द नॉर्थ पोल्स ऑफ ऑल द पार्टिकल्स फेस इन द सेम डायरेक्शन एंड द साउथ पोल फेस इन द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. व्हेन ए मैग्नेट इज कट इन हाफ, अगर हम मैग्नेट को दरमियान से कट कर दें हाफ, द मिनी मैग्नेट्स विल फॉर्म. इट रिटेन देयर मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टीज. वो अपनी मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टीज को बरकरार रखते हैं. सो ईच हाफ बिकम्स अ मैग्नेट. और जो भी हाफ पीसेस होते हैं वो खुद से इंडिपेंडेंट मैग्नेट्स फॉर्म के तौर पे बन जाते हैं, with a north pole at one end and a south pole at the other end. If you cut a magnet in half, you will have two magnets. अगर हम मैग्नेट्स को दो हाफ्स में कट कर दें तो हमारे पास कितने मैग्नेट्स आ जाएंगे? We will get the two magnets. Next students, we have the topic of magnetic field. What is magnetic field? The area around the magnet in which it is effective is called magnetic field. मैग्नेट के इर्द गिर्द वो एरिया जो बहुत इफेक्टिव होता है हम उसको मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कहते हैं. If a magnetic material such as iron or steel is placed in the magnetic field, the magnet will pull it towards itself. अगर हम किसी भी आयरन या स्टील के पिंस को या ऑब्जेक्ट्स को इस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के अंदर रख दें तो मैग्नेट उसको अपनी तरफ पुल कर लेता है विद अ फोर्स. टू मार्क द पोल्स ऑफ अ मैग्नेट, हैंग ए बार मैग्नेट फ्रॉम अ पीस ऑफ स्ट्रिंग. It will swing around and when it stops, it will be hanging in a north-south position, which shows approximately the north pole and the south pole of the earth. To prove that the force of a magnet is strongest at the poles, place a bar magnet on a sheet of white paper and sprinkle some iron fillings on the paper. The iron fillings will arrange themselves around the magnet in a definite pattern of lines, which are the magnetic lines of force of the magnet. The iron fillings will be clustered at each pole of the magnet. This shows that the magnetic force is strongest at the poles of the magnet. अगर हम एक मैग्नेट बार लें और एक शीट ऑफ वाइट पेपर लें और उस पर कुछ आयरन फिलिंग्स को, आयरन पिंस को स्प्रिंकल कर दें तो आयरन जो फिलिंग्स हैं वो अपने आप को मैग्नेट की वजह से अरेंज कर लेंगी इन ए डेफिनेट पैटर्न, सो विच शोज द मैग्नेटिक लाइंस ऑफ द फोर्स ऑफ द मैग्नेट. Compass. Compass is an instrument, students, which is used to find the directions. It consists of small compass needle. So here, students, we have this compass needle, which is actually a small bar magnet. असल में ये needle एक small bar magnet है, placed inside a metallic box, जिसको हम एक metallic box के अंदर रखा गया है with a glass top, जिसके ऊपर glass की topping हुई हुई है. Because of the magnetic field of the earth, the compass needle always points in the north-south direction, so it can be used to find the directions. Magnetic field of the earth, also our planet earth have the magnetic field. The earth is like a huge bar magnet with a weak magnetic field around it. This is what makes it possible to find the directions using a compass. Next, students, to plot the magnetic field of a bar magnet, place a bar magnet in the middle of the sheet of white paper and draws its outline. Place a compass needle near one pole of the magnet and mark the north-south positions of the needle with two pencil dots. Move the compass to the second dot position and mark the north-south positions again. Continue in this manner till you reach the other pole of the magnet. Now join the dots. Now repeat the same method from different points around the magnet. In this way you can plot the magnetic field of a bar magnet. Observe the pattern that is made. Magnetism in living things. Living things में भी magnetism मौजूद है, students. Some animals are magnetic, कुछ animals magnetic होते हैं. For example, insects, whales, dolphins, birds and humans have some kind of magnetic material. हमारी bodies में भी कुछ एक खास तरह का magnetic material मौजूद है which helps them to find their way even when they cannot see. अगर हम देख नहीं सकते, we are blind, then even then we can find our direction with this magnetic material which are present in our bodies. How to make a magnet? आप कैसे magnet बना सकते हैं? Some materials like iron, nickel, cobalt can be made into magnets by the following method. Number one method is stroking with magnet. When a steel bar is stroked means जब उसको स्टील बार को स्ट्रोक किया जाता है, उस पर पुश किया जाता है, मारा जाता है with one pole of a bar magnet in one direction several times, it becomes a magnet. तो वो magnet की फॉर्म में चेंज हो जाता है. This happens because all the atoms of the steel bar which were arranged irregularly in the beginning arranged themselves in such a way that all their negative poles face one direction and their south poles face the other. That is why they form one big magnet with north and south poles. Next, our topic is magnetizing with electricity. When an electric current is passed through a coil of wire, जब किसी भी एक coil of wire से electric current को पास किया जाता है, it behaves like a magnet. तो magnet की तरह act करता है, behave करता है. It can attract iron or steel. वो iron और steel को अपनी तरफ attract कर सकता है. If a piece of soft iron is placed, अगर वहाँ पे नरम iron को रखा जाए inside the coil of wire में, it will be magnetized. तो वो magnetized हो जाती है and will remain as long as the current flows in the coil. और जब तक current coil में flow करता है, वो magnetized ही रहती है. This kind of magnet is called electromagnet. इस तरह के मैग्नेट को हम इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट कहते हैं. The magnetic field around an electromagnet can be made stronger by passing a stronger current through the wire or by increasing the number of turns in the wire. How to demagnetize the magnet? एक मैग्नेट के मैग्नेट को कैसे खत्म किया जा सकता है? It means उसको कैसे, how we can demagnetize it. A magnet can be demagnetized if it is beaten with a hammer or heated. अगर हम उस ऑब्जेक्ट को हीट अप करें या हैमर से बीट करें, it will lose its magnetism. It will lose its magnetism because its atoms, which were lined up in a regular pattern, are thrown about irregularly and the magnet no longer remains a magnet. Using electromagnets. Electromagnets can do all the things that ordinary magnets can do, but you can switch them on and off. इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट्स भी उसी तरह काम करते हैं जैसे आम मैग्नेट्स काम करते हैं, लेकिन आप इसको ऑन एंड ऑफ कर सकते हैं. इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट्स आर यूज्ड इन मेनी हाउसहोल्ड अप्लायंसेस लाइक रेफ्रिजरेटर, डीप फ्रीजर्स. They are also used in scrap yards to separate steel and iron scrap from non-magnetic scrap. Here students, we have the example of electric bell. An electric bell uses an electromagnet. Electric bell electromagnet को use करती है, which can be switched on and off by contact breaker. When the bell switch is pressed, जब electric bell का switch press किया जाता है, the current flows through the circuit. The electromagnet that then attracts the soft iron piece and hammer strikes the gong. This part student is called the gong. Once the soft iron is pulled away from the contact point, the circuit is broken and the current does not flow. The electromagnet loses its magnetism and the soft iron piece returns to its original position. Next we have the example of telephone. There is an electromagnet in a telephone earpiece. जो telephones हमारे घरों में मौजूद होता है, उसमें भी electromagnet यूज किया जाता है. As the current through it varies, the pull on a metal plate varies. This makes the plate vibrate and send sound waves into the air. So all these are the examples. Next students, we have the exercise work of unit number 10. Topic is magnetism. Question number 1. Answer is magnetism is an invisible force that can make some objects move towards or away from each other. Part B. The force with which a magnet pulls iron and steel towards itself is known as its magnetic force. Part C. The area around a magnet in which it is effective is called its magnetic field. Next, a compass is an instrument which is used to find directions. It consists of a small compass needle placed inside a metallic box with a glass top. The compass needle always points in the north-south direction, so it can be used to find direction. Next, all the particles inside a magnet have a north pole and a south pole, and they can be arranged in such a manner that the north poles of all the particles face in the same direction, while the south pole face in the opposite direction. Next, when an electric current is passed through a coil of wire, it behaves like a magnet. It can attract iron or steel. If a piece of soft iron is placed inside the coil, it will be magnetized and will remain So as long as the current flows in the coil, this kind of magnet is called an electromagnet. The magnet field around an electromagnet can be made stronger by passing a stronger current through the wire or by increasing the number of turns in the wire. Next student, last question. Answer is an electric bell and a telephone. Question number 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 we will do it on our books. Question number 2 is about fill in the blanks. Number A, answer is coal. B, at both poles. C, answer is weak. D, an electromagnet. Number E, it is beaten with a hammer. Number 3, copper, hard, two magnets, magnetic field at the poles and earth. Question number 4, if we place a magnet, bar magnet on a sheet of white paper and sprinkle some iron fillings onto the paper, the iron fillings will arrange themselves around the magnet in a definite pattern of lines, which are the magnet lines of force of the magnet. The iron fillings will be clustered at each pole of the magnet. This shows that the magnetic force is strongest at the poles of a magnet. Number 5, hang a bar magnet from a piece of string. It will swing around, and when it stops, it will be hanging in a north-south position, which shows approximately the north pole and the south pole of the earth. Number 6, draw a magnetic field. This is all for today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.